In this video, I'm going to show you 8 different ways that you can make money online with Canva in 2022. Now, each of these methods can bring you anywhere between $100 per day and $500 per day, so make sure you watch this entire video to learn which method is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as you know, Canva is an extremely powerful tool. This website is used for free video editing as well as photo editing, and you can use it in a variety of ways. And in this video, we're going to talk about some of those ways where you can start making money. Now remember, when you are doing these methods are going to be what's called active income. So you're only going to be paid when you're actively working on your business. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making passive income with Canva. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, #1 is simply with Fiverr or any freelancing site. The reason why I started off with Fiverr is because it's the least amount of money that you can make, but there's a ton of opportunities within Fiverr. If we jump over to Fiverr.com, you're going to see there are tons of opportunities. You can do everything from logo design. You can create thumbnails for people, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. You can build NFTs. There's a lot of opportunities right within Fiverr or any freelancing site. Now, if you take a look here, you can see at the top, there's graphics and design. You can go through here and you could basically do just about anything and pair it with Canva. One thing that you can do, and not a lot of people are talking about, is you can actually build websites within Canva. You can build templates. You can build all sorts of stuff when it comes to Canva. You can do t-shirt design. There's a lot of opportunities within Fiverr and Canva. So what you'd want to do is pick a niche and you want to master that niche. So for example, you could create flyers right over on Canva. If we show you Canva real quick, we'll go to canva.com and we're going to take a look. There's a section that you could build flyers. You can make flyers and you could be a seller over on Canva. If we take a look here at the design here, you can see people are making anywhere between $20 and $120 per day making flyers. Now, the cool thing with Canva is there are a bunch of templates. Now, before you get all excited, you cannot just you can't just download these templates and sell them. You have to make some modifications. They have to be unique. As you can see here, there are tons of different templates that you can use. Some are free, some are paid. Obviously, you can get up and running with the free stuff. Like this one, for example, this one's 100% for free. You can use this as a template. Just make sure that you're making the necessary changes. And you can do this and start making anywhere between $20 and $100 per day. But #1 is with Fiverr. #2 is actually with YouTube. And there's 2 ways. There's actually a few ways that you can make money with Canva and YouTube. One way is to fix people's thumbnails. As you can see here, thumbnails are arguably the most important aspect of YouTube. If you don't have a high quality engaging thumbnail, people aren't going to click on your video and you're not going to make money with the YouTube Partner Program or any other way that you're monetizing your YouTube channel. So this is one way. Now, what I've seen a lot of people do is I've seen people reach out to individuals within their niche. They've actually reached out to me and they'll say, hey, look, I like your content, but I think your thumbnails need work. So what you can do is you could just type in a niche. For example, we'll do like affiliate marketing, just like this. And then you can go through and take a look at all of the different thumbnails. And again, what I've had people do, let's get rid of that. What I've had people do is actually reach out to me and say, hey, look, your thumbnails could be improved. I would actually love to work with you. I'll give you a free sample. And if you are interested, if you like what I'm doing, we can actually work together and I'll charge you, $15, $20. Now, this is going to be a numbers game. So you're going to need to do this a lot in order for you to start seeing some results. It's not going to be a one-to-one. You're not just going to reach out to one person and then all of a sudden they're going to say, yes, please. What I would do is I would target people that have small and medium-sized YouTube channels. For example, channels that have less than 5,000 subscribers, channels that have less than 1,000 subscribers, they're still trying to figure it out. And so you can reach out to them and take one thing off their plate and potentially make money. But that's just one way that you could make money with YouTube. Another way that you can make money with YouTube is simply doing Canva tutorials. So if we go up to the search bar and we do Canva like this, you can see people are creating all sorts of content for Canva tutorials. If we do Canva tutorial for beginners, we hit the space bar. Once again, people are creating all sorts of content. So we're just going to go to Canva tutorial for beginners, and you can do this too. if you know and understand how to use Canva, there is a lot of opportunity. You can see this 11,000 views. She only has 6,000 subscribers, 1.2 thousand views, 23,000 subscribers. And just to show you how powerful this is, let's look at this one with 40,000 subscribers. We're going to look at her YouTube channel here. So we're going to open that up, open a new link. And we're also going to jump over to a website called Social Blade. And Social Blade is a website that estimates how much YouTube channels are making. So we're just going to copy this just like this, and we're going to paste it in. Now, another way that you could go about this is you could show people how to create digital products. So we could say like how to create digital products, products to sell, or in Canva, as you can see here, how to create digital products in Canva. And you could take any one of these niches up here from Fiverr. For example, you could show people how to create logos and, just really go through all of these. And this is a really good opportunity because you know exactly what you need to make. You see that people want to make money on Fiverr with Fiverr, and they're going to be entering into all of these different niches. So if you show them how to make packaging labels, you could make money with this. And there's another bonus method that I'll actually talk about at the end of this video. But you can see, if we take a look at this channel here, it says that she's making $845, but I can assure you she's probably making 4 or 5 times that amount because she is getting tons of views. Look at the number of views that she's getting every single day. And she can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. She could also make money selling her own digital products. Maybe she has a course where she's showing people how to make money with Canva. She could make money that way as well. So we have a few different ways with YouTube. You can either help people with their thumbnails. I would actually reach out to them directly. Just send them a message, and to find their email, click on the About section here and click on email address. Most people will have this, as you can see, click on view email address, and then you can reach out to the individuals. I'm not going to click on her email address because I don't want to expose that. So after YouTube, we actually have Etsy. Now, Etsy is one of my favorite ways to make money with Canva. So we go over to Etsy.com, and what we're just going to do is we're going to type in, we can type in SVG. Oops, let's go ahead and type in SVG like this, and you're going to see there are tons of different SVGs where you can make money. You can also type in digital planner like this, and you can see there are actually a few different ways to make money with digital planners. Look at this. Well, we can do digital planner, we can do workout planners, we could do weight loss planners. There's all sorts of ways that you can go. So we could do like we could do weight loss, and you can see weight loss journal, weight loss tracker, weight loss printable, and you can do this for anything: money, weight loss, health, wealth, relationships, technology. And what you do is figure out exactly what your customers are interested in, what they want to know, and what they want to download, and then you can jump over to Canva and make it. Now, once again, you can't just steal these printables. Now, one cool thing, one interesting thing is we could do NCAA bracket like this, and people are actually searching NCAA bracket. As you can see here, down here, $29.99. $29.99. You can actually make these smaller, and you can actually have these as printables as well. But you can see people are buying those as well. You can come over to Canva and you can type in, we can do planner like this, hit enter, and you're going to see there are a bunch of templates. Now, once again, you can't just steal these templates. You have to make some modifications and changes, bill payments. You can even do invoices. Come back over here, and we can say invoice like this, invoice template, just like that. And then if we look over on Canva, I invoice like this. And once again, you want to make sure that you are making changes. It is against Canva's terms of service to just download these and resell them. But you can see people are making all sorts of invoices. And what you'd want to do is just do a little bit of keyword research. So you can see here that if we do each letter of the alphabet, you can see people are asking about individual types of invoices: Excel, editable. If we go here, template in Word, Photoshop, downloads, things of that nature, contractors. So you'd want to make a contractor invoice and potentially make money. You can see these are being sold all day and night. So after we have Etsy, we can also make money with Pinterest. Now, if you don't know, Pinterest is a social media site where you upload pins, visual pins, and images and photos, and you can start building traffic. Now, what you can do, there's a few ways to do it. You can make money on your own with your own pins. For example, if we type in like woodworking like this, it can be any niche, but woodworking works for this. So we go all pins, and you can see people are creating pins based on woodworking. We could also do something like, women's fashion. We're going to be very broad here. Women's fashion, just like this. And you can make money in a few different ways with Pinterest. You can either work with someone over on Fiverr. You could actually sell your own physical or digital products. You could also be an affiliate for a website like New Chic. I just did an affiliate review on that affiliate program, so that's why that's top of mind. But you can see here, you can create these right over on Canva. So if we go back over to Fiverr, if we go back to Canva here, we can type in Pinterest pins, just like this. And you can actually make both static and video pins. There are paid ones, of course, but a lot of these are free. Look at this one, cooking lessons. You just click on it and you make the necessary changes. Now, again, there's two ways to do it. You can either make money for yourself with regard to creating your own content and selling your own physical digital products, or you can make money for somebody else and work with a website like Fiverr. After Pinterest, local businesses. Now, I think this is an untapped market. Local businesses need all sorts of stuff. They need everything from like Facebook cover photos. They need Facebook posts. They also need flyers and brochures. They just need a lot of help. And small businesses are extremely busy. For example, a small business owner is responsible for everything. And if you can take one thing off their plate, they're going to be forever grateful. So what you can do here, I'm on the home page of Canva. You can just scroll through and find one that you're interested in. If you want to make flyers or infographics, or maybe they're on Instagram and you want to be their Instagram social media marketer, which I don't have listed, but I should, you can actually take care of that for them. You want to create custom invoices. There is just a lot of opportunity for local businesses. Now, what you'd want to do is just take a look at their website if they have one and offer some critical feedback. Hey, I was looking at your website. It looks great, but here's an area that you can improve it. And with my services, this is how you can improve it. And if you pitch it well enough, you can actually be put on as a retainer. So anytime they need something, they'll reach out to you and you can do it. But if you take a look at this, I just clicked on marketing and you can see there are all sorts of stuff that you could help local businesses with. So if we look at office, once again, all sorts of stuff that you can help them out with and you can make money. Now, after local businesses, we have TikTok. Now, I created a video a few weeks ago talking about the power of TikTok, how you can earn passive income with TikTok. Now, the cool thing with Canva and TikTok is you can create these TikTok videos and not even show your face. As you can see here, I typed in TikTok and they have all sorts of templates for you to use. You just click on a template that you like and do a little bit of work. Maybe you're in the make money online niche. You can create a video with 5 ways to make money online. So if we just click on this real quick, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because Canva is so intuitive, but we could say like 5 ways to make money online, just like this. And then once you create the video, download it to your computer and then you can upload it right into TikTok. But there's a number of ways that you can simply make money with TikTok. You can make money selling your own physical digital products, affiliate marketing. You can just use it to collect emails. You can send people back over to your YouTube channel if you want. But if you look at this, we click play, you can see what we'd want to do is duplicate this and add another scene just like that. And then we could say number 1, make money, make money with Canva. And all of these words are being spelled wrong, but as you can see, it's really easy. And then you would just download it to your computer. Now, what you'd want to do obviously is spend a little bit more time, but you don't have to spend a ton of time for this to be profitable for you. So we'll just click on this just like that, and you can see it's actually really easy to do. But you can do this for yourself, or you can actually reach out to TikTok creators and say, hey, look, I like your content. Let me help you out with uploading 5 or 10 pins. I'll charge you $20 per pen or $10 per pen. And boom, you just like that, you made $100 just creating TikTok videos. So that's really cool, really powerful. Another thing that you can do is actually with Facebook groups. Now, you can do this a few different ways. You can work with moderators and create content for them. You can create content for yourself. You can actually create content for other Facebook groups. One of the ways that I grew my Facebook group was I actually went into other Facebook groups and I posted different images. And let me just show you real quick what I did. So I came over to Canva and I typed in Facebook post, just like this. And the reason why this works is the way that posting works on Facebook is video content gets the most engagement, gets the most reach and push by Facebook, followed by images, followed by text. So what I did is I simply clicked on create a blank image, and then I just provided helpful information. So I was targeting different affiliate marketing groups. So I just went over here like this. And again, we're going to do this really quick so that you can see how easy it is. So I just, I made an all blue background with my brand colors. So I did 1579AA, just like that. And then I just took a white text, just like this. And then I said, 5 affiliate marketing tips. And then I gave them 5 tips. Believe it or not, this is actually helpful. It's much different than what most people are doing over on these Facebook groups. And what happens is people will click on my avatar because they want to learn more about me. I'm giving away free information, free tips, and that actually makes me stand out against the spammers and people that are just saying buy, buy, buy. So again, what I did was I just gave them 5 tips, and then I uploaded these images into different Facebook groups that I was not the moderator or administrator. Now, if you do this enough, all of your posts will soon be automatically approved. That means the moderator has trust in your content and knows that you're not just spamming and trying to steal. But you can see how easy this is. You download it to your computer and then upload it right into different Facebook groups, and you will start building an audience. You can either have them buy your content or bring them back to your Facebook group to grow your group. There are a number of ways to do it. Now, one of my favorite ways to make money with Canva is simply with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, in this instance, you are going to be recommending or selling Canva. And the way that you do that is you can create content like this channel here, showing people how to do different things in Canva. So we're just going to pause this real quick. And again, you can use Fiverr as your template. You can see within Fiverr, these are all the different avenues that you can go in. For example, you can show people how to create logos right in Canva. So if we jumped over to YouTube once again, we can type in how to create logo in Canva, just like this. Or you can even do something like how to create logos for free. But if you take a look at this, there are thousands of views to be had just showing people how to do this. And then you can say something like, hey, if you want to get started with Canva, click the link in the description to learn more. Or you can even do something like Photoshop alternatives like this. And once again, because you are providing value, you can say, hey, click the link in the description to get started with my #1 favorite recommended Photoshop alternative. This works over and over again because you are providing value. Now, the only way that you will make money with the Canva affiliate program is if people actually buy the premium membership, but you can get them started for free. I would say pretty frequently people will always check out the premium membership because there are additional features that aren't offered. And so people will check it out for at least a month or two, and that allows you to get paid. So just to recap real quick, we've got Fiverr, YouTube, Etsy, Pinterest, local businesses, TikTok, Facebook groups, and affiliate marketing. Now that you know the 8 different ways to make money online with Canva, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.